In this video, I'll show you how to build a pricing page with V0. First, open your web browser and go to the V0 by Versal website. Sign into your account, or create a new account if you don't already have one. Next, click the prompt box and describe the pricing page you want to create. Include details about the type of product or service, the number of pricing plans, the features you want to display, the design style, and any sections you want to include. Now, click the Generate button and wait while V0 creates your pricing page. After a few moments, you'll see a live preview along with the generated code using React, Next.js, Tailwind CSS, and Shadcon/UI components. After that, review the pricing cards and page layout. Check the plan names, prices, feature lists, buttons, and overall design. If you want to make changes, continue the conversation with V0 and ask it to adjust the colors, layout, animations, or add additional sections. Next, refine your pricing page by adding features such as monthly and yearly billing toggles, highlighted premium plans, comparison tables, customer testimonials, FAQs, and responsive layouts for mobile devices. Finally, when your pricing page is complete, click Copy or Export Code to use it in your Next.js project. Add the generated components to your application, install any required dependencies, and test the page before publishing it. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build a pricing page with V0. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.